Hi, it's me again. This is the Lego Technic gear train machine. And if you want to see my last videos on YouTube, you can go to my water whisker or my spirograph video. And this is how the gear train machine works. There is one gear in front, add a small gear, another big gear, and another small gear, and the wheel to calculate the rotations of it. Let's see how it works now. And that's it. For me, it's like very complex and it's pretty fast. And you only need to use hold brakes for this, not normal brakes, because all of them are hold. Back, front, left, right, and even the gears are hold, but not the wheel. They only have axle hold. And this is what happens if you do it slowly. And done.